MindMuse Audio, a muse for your mind, one summary at a time. Today's bite sized audio dive, we're decoding Platonic by Dr. Marisa G. Franco. Not romantic, not professional, we're talking about the type of relationship that gets the least attention but might be the biggest game changer for your mental health, happiness, and even lifespan. That is friendship. Yep, you heard me right. You don't need a soulmate, you need soul friends. So plug in, chill out, and let's explore the friendship hacks no one ever taught you, straight from the science of attachment. Section 1, the Loneliness Epidemic. Picture this: you're scrolling through reels, sipping your third iced latte, and wondering why you still feel meh. You've got 894 followers, but no one to call when your day falls apart. Turns out, loneliness isn't just a vibe, it's a public health crisis. Studies show chronic loneliness is as deadly as smoking 15 cigarettes a day. Let that sink in. Dr. Franco says the problem isn't just that we lack friends, it's that we devalue them. We prioritize romantic partners and job promotions over the people who actually keep us sane. So the question isn't why don't I have better friends? It's do I even know what real friendships looks like? Section 2, the signs of attachment. Okay, here's where it gets juicy. Dr. Franco brings in attachment theory, usually used to understand romantic relationships, and flips it on its head. Your friendships are shaped by how you attach to your caregivers growing up. There are three main types: secure, you trust people, you feel safe; anxious, you overthink, constantly seek approval; avoidant, you keep people at arm's length. Most of us are running friendship patterns on autopilot. We ghost before getting ghosted. We hesitate to reach out first. We act chill, but we are actually terrified of vulnerability. Dr. Franco's advice: know your attachment style, heal it, then choose better friendships, not just ones that feel familiar. Section 3, friendship is made, not found. Here's the myth we've all been sold: friendship should be effortless, natural, organic, like one of those rom com meet cutes. Wrong. Friendship isn't found, it's built deliberately, repeatedly, and with intention. Key hack from the book: it's called the mere exposure effect. Translation: the more you see someone, the more likely you are to like them. That means say yes to group chats, go to that awkward co worker lunch, be the person who follows up. Friendship doesn't happen in grand gestures, it grows in the micro moments. Show up, then show up again. Section 4, vulnerability is a superpower. Let's talk about the scary F word. No, not that one. I mean, Feelings. Real friendship requires you to be seen fully, messily. But what do most of us do instead? We hide behind memes, sarcasm, or lol, I'm fine texts. Dr. Franco's research shows that self disclosure, sharing your honest thoughts and emotions, builds deeper trust. But here's the twist, it's not about trauma dumping, it's about gradually letting people in. You can start small. Hey, I've been feeling kind of lately. Hey, I miss talking to you like we used to. I value our friendship and wanted to say it. Risk awkwardness. Because on the other side of it, connection, healing, magic. Section 5. Friendship requires effort. Remember this mantra. Friendship is not a luxury, it's a life support system. And just like a relationship or a career, it takes work. Check this out. Dr. Franco recommends setting friendship intentions just like we do for fitness or finances. Want more deep convos? Plan them. Want to reconnect with old friends? Text them. Want to feel seen? Be the one who sees other first. Also, friendship is mutual. If someone doesn't reciprocate your energy, don't chase. But don't give up on the idea of friendship altogether. There are always new people, new connections, and new beginnings waiting. Final thoughts. Friendships heals us. Here's the ultimate takeaway from Platonic. Friendships aren't a bonus in life, they are the foundation of it. Good friends will challenge you, support your glow up, call you out, hold your hand, metaphorically and literally, through the storm. And in a world obsessed with finding the one, maybe what we really need is to find our five solid people who know your weirdness, celebrate your wins, and sit with you in your lows. Thanks for tuning in to MindMuse Audio. Remember, you don't need a million followers, you just need a few real friends. If this summary sparked something in you, go grab Platonic by Dr. Marisa G. Franco. Your future friendships will thank you. And hey, like what you heard? Hit subscribe, leave a review, and send this to a friend who always forgets to reply, but you still love them anyway. Until next time, stay mindful, stay curious, and stay connected.